What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can add your YouTube payment methods to your Google Adsense account so that you can receive your payments on time. So if that sounds interesting, then let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so I've been signed into my Google Adsense account. So from here, where to go is click on your top left where there are three horizontal lines. I'll zoom it a bit and I'll click on them. So you'll be brought with these options. So where you want to go now is you click on payments. And then you're going to have two options. There is payment information and then there is verification check. So you click on payment information. Okay, and then you're going to be brought to this display. So where it's saying payments account AdSense Zambia, I'll click on it. So what we want to do is add in payment methods for our YouTube channel. So I'll click on YouTube, Zambia Euro. And then from here, what you want to do is scroll down. And then I already added a payment method, so I'll not edit or touch that. But I'll just click where it says manage payment method. So I'll click on that option. So it says at the bottom, primary, remove, edit. I'll not touch that part like I indicated, but where I want to click now is where it says add payment method. And then you've got two options of which you can receive your money or your finances from YouTube. Option A says through a wire transfer, which is your bank. And then option B says through a check. So you're going to receive your money through a mail. So you pick whichever you're comfortable with. So let me show you on how you can add your check details. So I'll click on check, then I'll show you on how you can add your wire transfer details. So you're going to be brought to this display which says enter the address you would like the check to be mailed to. This address is independent of your billing address. So on top there, you can select the country of which you are from, where you're going to receive the check. So that's your current location. Let's say for instance you are in France, so I'll click on France, and then you add the name of which the mail will be addressed to, and then you add the address line, which is the mail address line where you want the check to be sent to. And then if you've got an alternative address line, you can add your second one, but just make sure that the details that you fill in are correct, otherwise you may delay receiving your mail. And then you add your postal code, and then finally you add the city. So let's say you are in so for instance you're in Paris, that's your current location where the mail should be sent to, so you add Paris. And then if you're okay with everything, you can check the box below which says set as primary payment method. That's if you want to be receiving your payment from YouTube using a check mailed to your address. And then if you're not okay with the mailing address, the alternative you have is wire transfer, where the money will be directly deposited into your bank account. Let me go back quickly and show you on how you can add a payment method through a wire transfer. So from here, where I want to click is add wire transfer details. So I'll check on that. And then it says to receive payment by wire transfer, contact your bank for exchange rates and fees. Bank account must be located in Zambia and in Euro currency. So depending on your location, so it can be Zambia, it can be South Africa, it can be Nigeria, it can be the US. So it just simply depends on your location. So we start filling in the details step by step. So for the beneficiary, it's optional. So that information will only be used in a case where you are unavailable to receive the funds. So the person who's keen to you will receive the funds on your behalf. Say for instance, mother / sister. So that's optional. You can leave it blank if you want. And then the name of the bank. So let's say it's bank A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So that's just an example. And then the name of the bank, it's optional. You can leave it blank if you want. Bank 123. And then for the SWIFT code, it's required that you fill in a SWIFT code. So what a SWIFT code is simply a code that you enter in that verifies the financial institution that's going to be receiving the money on your behalf. So it ensures international transfers. So that's what a Swift code is basically used for. It's usually a combination of letters. So let's say, for instance, say K, J, and then invalid input. Of course, it's supposed to be invalid because that's just an example. So you can go and inquire what the Swift code for your bank is so that you don't make a mistake. So you enter in the correct Swift code for the bank that's going to be receiving the money on your behalf. So once you're done entering the Swift code, you enter the account number. So just make sure it's correct. So for instance, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. You will type your bank account and make sure it's correct. So I'll paste it there. So once the information you filled in is correct and accurate, you can save it, because if you make a mistake on the Swift code or on the bank name, there might be a problem in receiving your funds from YouTube. So just ensure that the information you enter in is correct and accurate. If you're not sure, go to your bank, seek the correct information, fill in, then submit. So that's basically it on how you can add your payment methods to receive your YouTube funds or your YouTube money. So if you've learned one or two things, I'll be really glad if you give this video a thumbs up. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. Subscribe to the channel, stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.